Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nneno. You remember me? The girl who sings at the coffee shop. Well, I also like to read in my treehouse, and I have a story to share with you today. So, come and join me while we enjoy the story. And remember, subscribe to hear more of my stories. Once upon a time, in a little town, there lived a sweet and curious child named Mama. Mama had a heart full of innocence and a mind that constantly wandered into the realms of imagination. She loved spending time outdoors, exploring the wonders of nature. One sunny morning, as Mama skipped merrily through their little garden, she heard a melodious chirping sound that filled her heart with joy. Following the enchanting tune, she came across a small nest nestled in a tree branch. Inside the nest, she saw a fluffy little bird with bright feathers and twinkling eyes. Mama then remembered her favorite nursery rhyme. Once I saw a little bird go hop, hop, hop. So I said, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? Then I was going to the window to say, how do you do? But he shook his little tail and away he flew. To Mama's astonishment, the little bird hopped closer and perched itself on her outstretched finger. It seemed as though the bird was enchanted by her singing and wanted to be her friend. Delighted by this newfound companionship, Mama decided to name her furry friend Pip. From that day forward, Mama and Pip became inseparable. They spent countless hours exploring the little gardens, dancing under the warm sunlight, and whispering secrets only they could understand. They had many adventures together, meeting other animals and spreading joy wherever they went. One day, while playing near a beautiful lake, Mama noticed a butterfly struggling to free itself from a spider's web. Without a second thought, she rushed to the butterfly's rescue, carefully untangling its delicate wings. As a token of gratitude, the butterfly granted Mama a magical wish. Mama closed her eyes and wished for all the birds in the world to find happiness and safety. In a flurry of shimmering colors, the butterfly transformed into a beautiful fairy who sprinkled sparkling dust on Pip and all the birds around them. In an instant, Pip grew larger and stronger, his feathers shining brighter than ever before. He could now sing even more enchanting tunes, spreading harmony and love throughout the town. People flocked to witness this magical sight, amazed by the beauty and grace of the bird. And so, dear friends, the story of Mama and Peep serves as a reminder that even the smallest act of kindness can create a ripple effect, transforming the world around us. Let their story inspire you to spread love, protect nature, and embrace the beauty of every living creature. For together, we can make the world a better place. The end. Thank you, friends, for listening. If you enjoyed the story, click the like button and subscribe to know when I'll read another nursery rhyme story for you.